One time I go out to sea there and broke down Charleston, and take him in. I was born as a fisherman. Yeah man, the I name Bobo Dread, seeing? Right now I'm on a 64 the next 6 days from now. More time count people go deep sea fishing. More time carry them go snorkels, more time I just carry them for the ride. You know say when I little youth I go to school, more time you have one old man where I always go out with, paddle him go out to sea in one of them dugout canoe. Yeah, morning time we get up early, like 5 o'clock in the morning, and we paddle go like 2 miles up the sea. We draw some pot and come in back. So it's like 18 on my blood. When I was 17, 18, then I left and go drive truck at Kaiser backside. I drive my father truck like backside, you know. 20, 21, load that and I see me there from that, you see me? I was born as a fisherman. Yeah, I'm born by the water. When I'm born, water the bunks from my house. Normally catch marlin, kingfish, tuna, dolphin, you know, barracuda. Yeah man, this is how I call it jackfish, you know. Yeah, a small line, we just catch him from in shallow, yeah, coming down. So it's like on top of the land where you got a lot of people live here, so you have some place where nobody don't live. And then you have a next place where you have a whole heap of house there again, you know. It's just you if you tell yourself say you go out there go fishing. Sometimes you go out there you don't catch nothing. Yeah, but when you go further over now you look for dolphin and marlin and every other kind of fish. Sometimes you go out there you catch a whole heap. So you have to just, when you're out on the sea, you know, it's a different feeling from when you're onto the land. Yeah, because normally when a fisherman come in, you know, you're supposed to give him at least 15 minutes before you send up the payment. Only one time you get caught up when I go through the reef and the sea when rough and the boat shut off. One time I go out to sea there and broke down. I broke down like not 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the evening. And I have to paddle all the way, try to paddle come in, and I end up down in April. I end up down in April 5 o'clock in the morning. I work by myself, you know. I have one next fisherman, like one next cousin where he is a fisherman, so like if we get fishing trip, people who want to go fishing, we bring him with me, and him work together that way. Sometimes if we just buy some gas and say, alright, we are going to see go on some fish. You know? Yeah. Once he's a fisherman and deal with fishing, you know, you have to just do it by yourself. I know say you're going to dry your pot yourself. Team fish are the best. And you just cut them, take out the inside and make up the fire and just put them on the fire side right there, you know. That's how I love fish. If I don't eat no fish for a week, all when I bathe and I perspire, you smell the fish here, I smell raw like fish first here I get the boat. Get the boat in December and the September to win the tournament with it. Yeah, so I know I'm still the champion because I know they don't catch a marlin yet. Hard to find sometimes. Sometimes you go there and you catch all 2 feet here. Now we give thanks. You know, sometimes you catch one, sometimes you go every all months and don't catch none. Biggest fish I ever catch 256 pounds marlin. Catch a shark bigger than that, man, but through a shark we don't deal with that. You know, we don't weigh them and they weigh them. Going to some bonita, valley of bonita and some rat inside sharky night, man. Catch all them bonita, we are 30 pounds and a shark as well, eh? And take him in. Yes, I. This is a day, you know, out there.